What is the price of RTX 5090 in India? Hey tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-end graphics cards, specifically the elusive RTX 5090. The question on everyone's mind is, what's the price tag for this beast in India? Now, before we jump into numbers, it's important to understand a few things. The RTX 5090 is officially released, and its pricing starts at 214,000 in India. This pricing is the official starting price mentioned on the NVIDIA official website of the RTX 5090 GPU card. Keep in mind, these are starting prices, and other vendors might come with the RTX 5090 products, with different price ranges based on the features provided in the specific graphics card model. Remember, this is a premium flagship graphics card. It's designed for gamers, professional content creators, and those who need the absolute best performance. Therefore, the price will reflect that. Factors that will influence the final price in India include international pricing. Obviously, the base price in USD or other currencies will play a big role. Import duties and taxes. India has import duties on electronics, which significantly impact the final cost. Retailer markups. Retailers will add their own profit margins, which can vary. Availability. If the card is in high demand and short supply, prices will skyrocket. Currency exchange rates. Fluctuations in the rupee against the dollar will also affect the price. It's also worth noting that the pricing can fluctuate wildly in the initial weeks and months after its availability. Currently, this card is out of stock in all the stores around the world. If you're planning to buy one, then you have to wait for a few months. After a few months, it will be available in all the stores around the world, and price will be a little competitive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. Let me know in the comments, what is the price of the RTX 5090 in your area?